In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Lovable AI workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a name that's clear for your whole team. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable. You should see the official Lovable site appear in the results. Click through to the site to continue. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Make sure you use the account that has access to the workspace you plan to rename, especially if you work with multiple organizations or environments. Once you're on the Lovable dashboard, look to the top left corner. That's where your current workspace is listed. Click on the workspace name there. This opens options related to your workspace, so you can quickly navigate to management tools without hunting through multiple pages. Next, select Settings. Be sure you're in the workspace settings, not personal profile settings. The workspace settings control what your teammates see, so this is the right place to update the name. The layout may vary slightly over time, but you'll typically find a section labeled Name or something similar under General or Workspace Details. Now, locate the Name section. This is the field that determines how your workspace is identified across the product, in invitations, and often in navigation menus. Click into the name field and type your full workspace name exactly as you want others to see it. Keep it descriptive and easy to recognize. For example, many teams include the company or project name and, if helpful, a qualifier like design, engineering, or QA. Watch out for unnecessary special characters and double-check spelling and capitalization to keep it professional and consistent with your team's naming standards. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Give it a moment to apply. The change will propagate across your dashboard and will be visible to everyone who has access to this workspace. If you don't immediately see the update, refresh your browser tab. If you find that the name field is locked or you can't save changes, you may need admin permissions. In that case, reach out to a workspace admin to make the update for you. That's it. You navigated to Lovable, opened your workspace from the top left, entered Settings, found the Name section, updated the workspace name, and saved your changes. With a clear, consistent name in place, your team will have an easier time finding the right workspace every time they log in.